Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a caramel latte at home. First, let's create that delicious caramel sauce. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar dissolves and transforms into a beautiful amber color. Then, carefully stir in 2 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Be cautious, as it will bubble vigorously. This homemade caramel is the secret to a truly amazing latte. Next, we'll prepare the coffee and milk. Brew 1 shot of strong espresso, or if you don't have an espresso maker, make about 1/2 cup of very strong coffee using your preferred method. While your coffee is brewing, gently heat 1 cup of milk. You can do this in the microwave for about 60 to 90 seconds, or on the stovetop until it's steaming but not boiling. Now, froth that warm milk using a whisk, a French press, or even an immersion blender until it's light and airy. Now for the best part, assembling your perfect caramel latte. Start by drizzling 1 to 2 tablespoons of your homemade caramel sauce into the bottom of your favorite mug. This creates a lovely base for the flavors. Next, carefully pour in your hot, freshly brewed coffee. Then slowly add the frothed milk, holding back the foam initially and then spooning it on top. Finish with an extra swirl of caramel drizzle for that professional touch. Enjoy your delicious, homemade treat. You've successfully made a fantastic caramel latte at home. Feel free to customize it to your liking. You can adjust the sweetness by adding more or less caramel sauce, or even try different flavorings. Experiment with various milk types, such as almond or oat milk, for a unique twist. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great deals. Enjoy your cozy, cafe-quality drink. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.